Now, this is the 57th time I have to tell you guys. Who pooped in a urinal? Huh? Who? Tell me who did it right now. What? Why did you have to make that sound?
Why did you have to laugh and look directly at me?
Hold it in. You couldn't just hold it in for one more time. Now we're in the principal's office.